Okay, this is the moment we are going to receive our telephone, OnePlus 6, and this is our lovely package. We couldn't reach it because we had to work, so that's it. With a beautiful system, you can have it now here. Just take it, and we'll go and do an unboxing in home. Okay, this is the package that we received from the OnePlus company. I noticed that the OnePlus is a Chinese company. They manufacture this or send it through the Poland in the EU to Germany. Then from the Germany they send it to the England. So that's the route they cover for taking this stuff to the UK. I'm going to open it now and make an unboxing. So this is the official unboxing. This is the box itself. Okay, let us see what is inside. Oh, we can open it first. That's the box. The box of the telephone, and as you see, the packaging is red. The speed you need. They call this flagship killer. So all the other flagships are supposed to be killed, especially the 1,000 pound telephone which a company called Apple makes. Let's open this. I will remove this wrapping. I have to find a way for it. Okay, now I've removed the plastic wrapping around it. Let's just see what is inside. The box looks beautiful, classy, sturdy definitely. Let me see what is inside. Nice and tight. Oof. That's the telephone itself. That's the telephone. This is the silky white version I bought from my wife, so headphone jack, definitely this is what I wanted. And as you see, it's all metal. Two cameras. One is 20 megapixel, the other one is 16 megapixel. And this is the fingerprint ID feature. Let's see what is else inside. This looks something that... Oh, there is a box here. Probably something is inside here. Oh yeah, so easy and nice to open. Oh! Surprise! This is a nice case. It's beautiful. Oh, this metal part of it is so beautiful. Anyway, this plastic part. It's for removing the... This is a pin for removing the SIM card. These are the guides and the papers coming with it. So practically OnePlus waited until all the others have released their flagships, then he killed them. Okay, this is the case that the telephone can go into it. Easy. I remove all those things, nicks and crannies when I have. Okay, what is else in the box? Okay, this is a Type 3 USB connector, which is now very common. You can connect them from any direction to the cable. And this is the charger. They told me that we don't include a headphone or earphone with this, just to keep the price down. You can buy it if you want, or you already may have something like that. We have a lot of that. So this is the OnePlus 6, and okay, that's the way the telephone looks. This is the camera of it. I think the camera is amazing. It's definitely bigger than this Huawei P10 Plus that I'm filming this. And now let us go back to the home. And this is the way home looks, home button. Of course, there is no SIM card in it at the moment, so we just return back. The camera. The size of it is really big. This is the old one my wife had, and that is from 2012, the flagship of 2012. And this is the flagship of 2018. That was, for this time, was 5-inch in diameter, the screen. Now this one is 6.2, quite big for a telephone that you have to hold in your hand. And what is impressive is the camera of it, which is really impressive. It's a very good camera. Even the camera in camera, you can look at a picture and see how good it is. I wish I bought, instead of this Huawei, I would have bought this one. But I bought this for my wife. I may buy another one for myself. Why not?